Today we are diving into the world of Kanban, a very simple but powerful visual management project system that can completely change the way you work. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a large team, Kanban can help you to streamline your projects and increase productivity. Stick around as we explore what Kanban is, how to use it effectively, and the best software to get started. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is Kanban? At its core, Kanban is a visual method for managing work as it moves through processes. Originating from Toyota's manufacturing processes in 1940s in Japan, Kanban has since been adapted in various industries. It's widely used in software development, project management, and beyond. One of the key principles of Kanban is visualizing your workflow. This means breaking down your work into individual tasks or cards and arranging them in a Kanban board. The typical Kanban board consists of columns representing different stages in your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Now, let's talk about how to use Kanban effectively. First, start by mapping out your workflow. Identify each step involved in completing a project and create a corresponding columns on your Kanban board. Next, write down each task on a card and place them in columns based on their current status. As work progresses, you will move cards across the board, from one column to the next. This provides a clear visual representation of where your task stands in your workflow and helps identify bottlenecks and areas for improvements. Now, I want to show you how you can use Kanban boards in a Trello software. Now I want to show you how I use Kanban method in Trello software. So I already created a Kanban board for the YouTube videos and created 3 columns: to do, in progress, and done. So you can see all 3. You can add many columns if you want. Just click here and you can add another column. You can also add a cards, which is task basically, to each column in here. And you can move cards between the stages. So first, if you add a card, just click on a card, write new card, and that's it, done. When you click inside the card, you can see that it has a description that you can add. You can add a comment. On the right-hand side, you can see members, labels, checklists, dates, attachments, cover, custom fields. So pretty much you can add lots of information if you like to. And you can make it as detailed as possible, or, as detailed basically as you want. And you can also keep it short. Depends on the task you have and depends on your needs. So you can move the card from one stage to another. So from one card to another, or from one column, you just hold it and drop it here. So very easy to do. So it's very easy to update your Kanban board. You can just come here, open the task, add a comment, or make it done, like, I don't know, like checklist, for example. You just look in here, add some comments, or, you need a date, add a date, and move once you've done it, and move to another one, and pretty much done. So it's all it is. Going in, have a look, check it out, what else you have, and have fun. The other cool things that I found recently is Trello templates. So if you go on Trello, they have a templates, and they have lots of them, and for different reasons. You have templates for business, design, education, engineering. Basically, you can see it's quite a lot. For example, I like one for the travel inspiration board that I found in personal templates. If you click on there, you can click on use template and then open up. So it will create, this will create basically all Kanban boards for you. It's great, all columns and details. Obviously, you need to change everything, like all the details, but you can have the structure already there. So you just need to update the details and, add some comments or wherever you want. But it's pretty useful, I think, to use those templates, because you can have it like half done. So have fun and explore more of those. Well, you can create a physical Kanban board using a sticky note and a whiteboard or a piece of paper, just one like that. I prefer to use the digital tools, which is easily available to streamline the process. As Kanban method is very popular, there is lots of digital tools that provide this capability. But let's take a look at a few popular options. First, Trello software. I'm not saying it is the best, it's just the one I use, and the one I just showed you. It is a user-friendly Kanban-style project management tool that allows you to create boards, lists, cards, and lots of different things, and you can easily organize your tasks and your work. It's also good for individuals and for the teams of all sizes. I personally used Trello for work and for my personal project, and it's very easy to navigate. Another tool I used is Asana. Asana is a flexible project management tool which supports both Kanban boards and other project views. It is ideal for the teams that looking for customizable solutions with advanced features. Now let's talk about the limitation that Kanban system has and the ways to overcome them. The first one is the schedule management. The Kanban is excellent because of its simplicity. Nevertheless, without a specific time frames and schedule details, it is hard to predict when the project will be completed and when the task will move from the one stage to another. Therefore, I always recommend to add an estimated time when you expect this task to move from one stage to another, and also, if known, when the task will be completed. The good thing is that most digital tools has this capability already, so you can easily add it to your cards. The next one is complexity limitations. Limit your work in progress. To maintain efficiency, set limits on the number of tasks it's allowed in each column. This prevents overloading and encourages focus on completing tasks. Also remember that updates are essential. For the Kanban method to work best, make sure to regularly update your boards. Encourage an open communication and use Kanban board as a central hub for updates and feedbacks. Experiment with new strategies and adjust processes accordingly. By visualizing your workflow and using the right tools, you can supercharge your project management and achieve greater productivity. Whether you're working on your personal project or leading a team, give Kanban a try and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy Kanbaning!